Join me as I put 3 popular earwax removal techniques to the test and find out which one really works. Today, we're diving into the world of earwax removal techniques to discover which methods actually work and which ones are just myths. When it comes to earwax buildup, many of us have been there, feeling like our ears are clogged, itchy, or even painful. But in our desperation to get rid of that unwanted wax, we often turn to techniques that can do more harm than good. From using cotton swabs to ear candles, there are plenty of methods that promise to remove earwax quickly and easily. But are they really effective? And more importantly, are they safe? In fact, using the wrong earwax removal technique can push the wax further into your ear, causing even more damage and potentially leading to infections or hearing loss. This is why it's essential to separate fact from fiction and explore the different methods available to us. We'll explore various earwax removal methods, including cotton swabs, ear candles, and professional cleaning, discussing their effectiveness and safety. Let's start with cotton swabs, a popular choice for many, but are they really doing more harm than good? While they may seem like a convenient way to remove earwax, the truth is that they can push the wax deeper into your ear canal, causing more buildup and potentially damaging your eardrum. Ear candles, on the other hand, claim to remove earwax by sucking it out of your ear, but there's little scientific evidence to support their effectiveness. In fact, many experts consider them to be nothing more than a myth. When it comes to professional cleaning, this method tends to be the most effective, but it can be expensive and may not be accessible to everyone. We'll reveal the surprising truth about the safest and most effective technique for earwax removal, backed by expert opinions and research. So, what does the science say? According to experts, the safest and most effective way to remove earwax is by using ear drops, specifically ones that contain hydrogen peroxide. These drops help to break down the earwax, making it easier to remove, and the best part is that they're easy to use and relatively inexpensive. In fact, a study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Audiology found that ear drops containing hydrogen peroxide were significantly more effective at removing earwax than other methods. In summary, understanding the right techniques for earwax removal can help you maintain ear health and avoid unnecessary risks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts or experiences with earwax removal in the comments below.